What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Sorry it's been a very long time. I'll fill you in just a second as where I've been. So today we have got some new parts from Japan. So in a box on my bench over there, I have got myself a new steering wheel. So quickly in the comments section down below, write down what you think I've got. And please excuse my dirty work uniform. I've just come home, just come from the post office, and I thought, while I've got it here, we can unbox it together and we can see what it is and we can chuck it in the Skyline. So it's going to go in here. So yeah, so where I've been, I had a little bit of a workplace accident. I crushed into my finger, but geez, all good. It still works to a degree, and that's all that matters. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's where I've been. I've been kind of busy working and being off work and doing rehabilitation bullshit for my hand, all that crap, but I'm still here. That's the main thing. So I've got more videos to come very soon. I'm about to start doing the front end up on the Skyline. So extended LCAs, longer tire ends, new upper control arms, more lock, all the good shit. So just a quick video today, guys. So I'm gonna quickly just hop over to the bench. I'm gonna put the camera on my head and then yeah, we'll go from there. Right, anyway, so we are live. So this here has come from the one and only Jesse Streeter in Japan. So anyway, let's get ourselves our kitchen knife and let's open the box up and see what's inside. I've been waiting for this for probably the last, say, month and a bit. It's been a little while since I've put an order in for it, but that's okay. Jesus Christ. Thanks, Jesse, for packaging it well. It's the hardest unboxing I've ever done. It's one layer down. Oh, we're getting close. We've got the Japanese paper. I think it's so cool that you get the Japanese newspaper with it because, oh no, that's just something I think is really cool. So anyway, if we continue, we'll find a Nadi, which is right here. How cool is that? So let's open this up. Oh yes, yes. How fucking cool is that? I've wanted a Nadi Classic for such a long time. I even got the OG horn button with it too. The only thing I'm missing is like the is the trim around the middle. So pop that horn button out of there. Put that over here. There we go. How cool is that? Genuine Nadi Classic, straight from Japan, from Jesse Streeter. Anyone that wants to get something from Japan, definitely hit up Jesse Streeter and get it all through him. Now I'm pretty sure in here, I did see, I'm not sure where I might have put it out the way, but there it is. These are obviously my little bolts. So anyway, let's take this and go and put it in there. In the car now, I've had to quickly just go to the front of the car and disconnect my horn, otherwise the horn goes off when you try and pull this little cover off. So with the Nadi Gara, you gotta pull this little cover off, which then exposes all your bolts. There's my little Nadi horn button. And now I've got to find, I think it's probably gonna be like a 6mm, 4, we go the 4. Too big, go the 3. That's the guy. So we'll just quickly get these all out. Should have brought on my screw gun, would have been so much quicker. Like, I do like the Nadi Gara, but I've always wanted a Classic, so I just had to bite the bullet. But yeah, both of these steering wheels have come from Japan, and I bought them both of them. I bought both of them through Jesse Streeter, so I'll be sure to put the link down below. So anything you need can come from Japan. Very good. Like that G-Ready boost gauge, same thing. That come from Japan also. I bought a lot of parts from Japan through Jesse Streeter, and I'm very grateful that he's been able to sort me out. So, yes. So I was just looking at the wheel there to see how it's gonna fit and how it's gonna look, because these bolts are actually tapered. So these got the tapered head. So I'm hoping the bolts in that little bag there are gonna be the same. But we'll soon find out in a second, won't we? Ooh, there goes a bolt. There goes my horn. So disconnect the horn like that. Run that through there. We'll get this one, and this, put that through here. Plug that onto there like so. That's one. There we go. So that looks fucking gangster. That looks so cool. So stoked with that. I think that looks great. Comparing, you know, the old Gara, pretty much the same size. I think the Knight is like a 350 and this is like a 360, so it's only, you know, 10 mil smaller, but from that to that, oh, that's the side skirts. Where's me? Yeah, I think that looks sick. So from what you can probably tell from watching the video, the end of my finger, this bit of my finger doesn't actually bend anymore, but that's okay. That's just a see. Okay, so those are exactly the same. So I can just use those other bolts. So they're tapered as well. That's okay. I gotta find the bolt that hit the deck down here somewhere, which is here. I can put that in there. That, and that one. I might get some new like silver bolts or stainless bolts or something, make it look a little bit nicer. Something different, maybe some like Phillips head ones, so I don't know. Sweet, that's it. Done. That feels awesome. Like so much more. I don't know. I've always just liked the unpadded feel. I just think padded, like non-padded wheels are just, I don't know, fucking cool. So for some reason, well, what I'm seeing here is my camera. Oh, there we go. That's better. Yeah, anyway, so that's pretty much it. So I think I'll just end the video here, guys. So there'll definitely be more videos coming very soon. Maybe with that stainless steel pipe there, because I got to make an exhaust for my neighbour's Hilux. So if you like the new steering wheel, guys, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe. Thank you to the people that have stayed subscribed for me. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.